Welcome to hyperCAD S. This video will briefly describe the snap controls and the creation of points. First, let's look at the snap controls, which are found in the middle of the lower toolbar, in the snap toolbar, and in the edit menu. Clicking on snap selection filter in the edit menu allows you to set your snap priority by dragging the snap points to the preferred order. You can also enable or disable any or all snap points here. The Project Snap Points command will project all snap points onto the current work plane. When this option is active, it will appear highlighted in the lower toolbar. It can be enabled or disabled here as well. Next to that is the Snap to Work Plane Origin icon. And next to that is a Snap Selection filter, where you can choose your individual snap points or coordinates. Coordinates allows you to type in specific coordinates in relation to your work plane or in relation to a specific origin. The points commands are found at the top of the drafting menu and on the drafting toolbar. Points absolute delta allows you to create points related to the current work plane. Clicking on an empty area in the graphics window will place the points on the XY plane. You can also type in direct values or pick snap points from existing geometry. In absolute mode, the origin will be the work plane origin. When using delta or polar modes, you can choose a specific origin, giving you a dynamic preview where you can drag along each axis with the capability of snapping to existing points. You'll notice that you can snap to hypermill toolpath points. These are the interpolation points of the toolpath. If I enable the snap to toolpath point, I can pick any of these interpolation points. If you want to select additional relevant points on a toolpath, you must enable the inside toolpath option in your snap controls. And you'll be able to snap to any point on that toolpath line. The Points on Face command allows you to create points on an existing surface using the ISO parameters for placement. Select the number of points you want in each direction, select your face, and you can use the preview to dynamically drag the location of the points. The On Domain option allows you to move outside the surface onto the original untrimmed surface. And the Create Point Cloud option allows you to create all of your points of the point cloud entity type instead of individual points. Points on Curve allows you to place points on a curve or boundary. This can be done by parameter from 0 to 1 or by length. The On Extension allows you to move beyond either end of the curve. And you'll see the Create Point Cloud option here as well. The Intersection Points command allows you to create points at the intersection of two curves or a face on a curve. And last, we have Projection Points, which project points onto a curve, surface, or plane. First, I'll select the points I wish to project, and I'll select a surface to project onto. The default projection direction is normal to the surface, but you can specify a direction using an entity, 2 points, the X, Y, or Z axis directions of the current work plane, and you can type in direct vector values here too. You can select the option to project onto a plane instead of an entity, and the plane can be defined by a planar entity such as a circle, by using 3 points, or by using direction and origin. You have the same options here for direction that you had above. You can select the origin down here. Thanks for watching. Please refer to the Help menu or your local support team for more information.